Okay, so there's a really good 6-mark question that Miss Banbury's put up on the revision guide that I think we need to address here. People are all different, so we should treat them differently. Now, it's very easy to discuss the ideas of why Christians support equality. So you go, some Christians would be against this motion because ultimately all people should be treated equally, as it says within the Bible. There's no slave, no free. We're all equal under Christ. Martin Luther King, for example, has been showing that idea by saying, "I will dream that one day people will be treated by the color, not by the color of their skin, but the content of the character." And there's a need for people to understand each other, agape love, etc., etc. Now, the argument for why people should be treated differently might be a relativist argument, and that's when you want to talk about things like positive discrimination. And also, you can therefore start talking about the idea of the Catholic perspective of women being treated equal but different, so a result of understanding those ideas, and say that this does not, so this idea of people being different can be applied to things like men and women, potentially from some perspectives, and disabilities, potentially from some perspectives, but it's not really fair to approach it to issues such as race, for example. Also, you could use the idea of freedom. People should be free to embrace their differences. So it's for freedom that Christ has set you free. So as a result, people are allowed to be free to be different, but that doesn't necessarily mean that they shouldn't have equal rights or or be discriminated against for their differences. So that's how to approach it. So on the one side, you've got the idea everyone's equal under Christ, etc., etc., agape love, all these kinds of ideas saying no, everybody shouldn't be treated differently. However, on the other hand, in some situations, Christianity in the past has treated people differently as a result of their race, of their gender, of their sexuality, you could also mention. And also, the differences that people have should be a result of their freedom to be different. Yes, but that doesn't mean that people should be treated differently in a negative way. And so it's free rights, but not being treated differently in a negative way. Any questions, please write. Maybe write a example of an answer to that question that you write, a 6-mark answer. I'll mark it underneath down here on your YouTube channel.